Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vina Pratiwi Hutapea from class 19 to D07 and my name. For my English 2 project, I took the topic of computers and hardware. Enjoy watching! Computer and hardware. Definition. A computer is an electronic device used to receive data, process it, store it, and produce useful information for the user. Computer operate based on instruction or program provided to them, enabling them to perform various tasks quickly and accurately. Next, computer function. 1. Processing data. 2. Storing information. 3. Assisting human work. 4. Communication and entertainment media. 5. Supporting learning and business. Next, important computer component. 1. CPU, the brain of the computer. 2. RAM, temporary storage. 3. Motherboard, connect all components. 4. VGA, processing graphic. 5. Power supply, the computer's power source. Next, how computer work. 1. Data input. The first step is data input, which is when the user enters data into the computer using an input device such as a keyboard or mouse. 2. Data processed by CPU. The data is then processed by the CPU. The CPU functions as the brain of the computer, processing all instruction and data received. 3. Data storage. Once processed, the data can be stored in storage media so that it can be resolved in any time. 4. Result displayed as output. Finally, the results of data processing are displayed as output, for example via a monitor screen or printer so that user can see that result. Next, hardware. Definition. Hardware is a physical component of a computer or electronic device that can be seen and touched. Functioning as container in which software operates, hardware is responsible for executing instructions, processing data, and displaying the final result. Next, hardware function. 1. Receive input. At this stage, the computer receives input from the user using an input device. 2. Processing data. Next, the data is processed by the CPU, which functions as the brain of the computer. 3. Saving data. Once processed, the data is stored so that it can be opened or used again in the future. 4. Provide output. The result of the data processing are displayed on the user via monitor, printer, or speaker. Next, hardware type. 1. Input device. Devices for entering data. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. 2. Output device. A device used to display result. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. Next, processing device. 1. Processor. The central processing unit or processor is the brain of the computer, which is responsible for processing all instruction and calculation for the user and the system. 2. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main board on a computer that connects all components so they can communicate with each other. 3. RAM. Random access memory is temporary memory that computer uses to store data that is being processed. Next, storage device. Data storage device. Example, 1. Hard disk, 2. SSD, 3. Flash disk, 4. CD or DVD. Next, hardware maintenance. 1. Clean your computer regularly. 2. Avoid dust and weather. 3. Use a power stabilizer. 4. Shut down your computer properly. 5. Update software and antivirus software. Next, conclusion. 1. Computer support various human activities. 2. Hardware is the essential physical part of a computer. 3. Each piece of hardware has a different function but works together. That's all my presentation. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're